Hi and welcome to eDocker tutorial. My name is Petteri Paananen and today I will show you how you can create a digital publication with interactive features by using a software called eDocker Create. Okay, let's get started. In this example I will use Adobe InDesign software for creating my digital publication. I will give you a couple of examples how you can add interactive features like hyperlinks, slideshows and scrolling texts. First of all, here are all the panels we are going to need in this tutorial. We have object states, buttons and forms, articles and eDocker Create tools. First, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink to your publication. I'm going to start it with InDesign's own rectangle tool. I'm going to draw an invisible rectangle wherever I want that hyperlink to be. And after I have drawn it, I will convert this rectangle to a button. I'm going to use InDesign's own button tool for that. Then I'm going to assign an action, go to URL to this button and give URL address. In this case, I'm going to put www.edocker.com. And last thing to do is open eDocker Create Tools panel, and as you can see, the hyperlink tab is highlighted. I'm going to click it and make sure that a correct URL is visible here. That's it. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a slideshow in your publication. With slideshow, you can add multiple images to any page you like. Your users can view images in your slideshow in a pop-up window. Now I have placed 4 images in the correct place in InDesign. I have selected those images and aligned them to be a perfect stack. I have selected the stack and converted it to multi-state objects. And now I'm going to open eDocker Create Tools panel, and as you can see, a slideshow tab is highlighted here. And here in the slideshow tab, I can choose how I would like this slideshow to operate. Because I want this slideshow to be open in a pop-up window, I will use this multi-state object as a hotspot. I will scale it down to match this button, and finally I will hide the multi-state object. And now I'm ready to go. The last feature example today is article reading mode. It's a very nice tool that allows users to open texts into a separate reading window. Using this feature is super simple. Select a text and drag and drop it to InDesign's article panel. Click OK and now it's done. User can now open this text into a separate reading window. These were just a few examples what you can do here. Of course, you can add other interactive elements too, like videos or pop-up images. Finally, we will go to eDocker Tools Export tab. Here it is very important to set output path, and this output path should always be an empty folder. After you have set it, click Export. Now to add some final touches, we will go to eDocker Create software and import what we exported from InDesign. Then we will simply open the publication by double-clicking a cover of it. Here we can open any page we like into Page Editor. In Page Editor view, we can edit any existing interactive feature or even add new ones. Okay, now we are ready to finish the process. I will first open the Publish window and choose the platforms here. And now I click Publish and eDocker creates all the required files for me automatically. I have already uploaded this project to our server, and now I simply use the internet address for sharing it. I have opened this project into my tablet device's web browser. As you can see, I can navigate through the pages. I can use all the interactive elements I made earlier, like this hyperlink here, or this text mode. I can tap the text and it will be opened up in a separate window. And I will have this slideshow here on the last page. When I tap the slideshow hotspot, it will open and I can navigate through the images. And of course, everything works on a computer as well. Just use your preferred web browser, input correct URL address and hit enter. That's it. This is how easy and simple it is to create a digital reading experience with interactive content like videos, hyperlinks, slideshows, and so on. This wraps up today's session. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.